So there are few ways of uninstalling apps on Windows 10, and let's see what are they. So the first option to uninstall an app from Windows 10 is to go to this start menu and then go to all apps, and whatever app you want to uninstall, for example this Google Chrome, right click on the icon and you will see this option called uninstall. Click this option and then you will be guided to the old uninstallation menu here, and here you can just select your app which you want to uninstall and then click uninstall. So this is one way of uninstalling your app. Second way of uninstalling your app is just go to start menu once again and then go to settings here, and in the settings go to systems, and in the systems go to apps and features. Click this option. Okay, and here you will be able to see all the list of your apps. Okay, so here you see all the apps which are installed in your system, and for example I want to uninstall once again Google Chrome. I select this Google Chrome from here and I will see this uninstall option which you can press and uninstall your app. Okay, now the third way of uninstalling apps on Windows 10 is the normal old school style, which is go to this search option here, and here search for control panel. So control panel, and just open this control panel and you will see this old styled control panel, and in here you can just select the program option, and here you can select the uninstall a program, and you will be guided to this interface which is for uninstalling your program. So select your app and click this uninstall button to uninstall your app.
And open a web browser. All right, then we're going to go to Google, and then we're going to type in IObit uninstaller. Okay, IObit uninstaller. And I'm going to try to slow down just a bit because a few of you all have actually mentioned that, you know, we have a tendency to go a little bit swiftly through the tutorial. So let me slow down just a bit, give you a chance to catch up. All right, so once you've typed in IObit uninstaller, go ahead and click on it's most likely going to be the first result in your search, but make sure it's iobit.com. Okay, and then click on that link. All right, next click on, it should say the IObit uninstaller 6 or whatever version. All right, they're actually on by the time you actually watch this tutorial. Click on free download. All right, and then click on download again. The second download button will be at download.com, of course. All right, after that, go ahead and install the application. All right, and I'm giving this just a chance to download here, even though I already have it installed. We're just trying to go somewhat real time here. Okay, and we're going to continue, shrink that down. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open the application. We're just going to say we've just installed it. Okay, and we'll give it a okay. I'm going to say yes at the UAC. Okay, now what you're going to do, all right, it's in the upper left. We're going to select all programs, or you can just select recently installed programs, which will narrow the list down some. Okay, all right, so what we're going to do is you can uninstall a group of applications here by checking each one, or you can simply locate your application, and we're using GeekBuddy for this example. And we're going to click on the trash can over here right underneath operation. Okay, all right, then it's going to ask if you want to create a restore point. We suggest you select yes here. All right, and it will take some time to actually create it, you know, maybe a minute or two. All right, after it's done, then we'll actually move forward with uninstall. But for the sake of this tutorial and time, I'm not going to select it, but we suggest you do. All right, so we're going to click on uninstall. Now the first thing it's going to do is it's going to call upon the application's uninstall utility. Okay, now we're going off the basis that this failed. Okay, all right, which is why you've actually come to this tutorial. All right, so what I'm going to do is just to treat things as if that the application's built-in uninstaller failed. I'm going to cancel this, and we're going to let the IObit uninstaller work without any help from the built-in uninstaller. All right, so we're going to click on Powerful Scan in the lower right. And we're going to give it just a minute. All right, now you can actually see what it's actually located on the system. All right, okay, these are the registry entries, which are countless. All right, and these are the files it's actually located. All right, which are also countless. All right, so what we're going to do is it's going to automatically select all the files. So we're going to go ahead and click on Delete in the lower right, and then we're going to click on OK. All right, and all right, okay, we can actually see what it's actually removed. All right, next we're going to go ahead and click on Close. All right, now depending on your application, at this time we would actually suggest you go ahead and restart your system. All right, to complete the uninstall, just in case there were some files that cannot be deleted, while Windows was actually still, running. All right, so just in case, you missed some of that, we're going to go ahead and use ByteFence as another example. All right, we're going to go ahead and click on the trash can again. Remember, you're going to click on Create a Restore Point before uninstalling. All right, we're going to go ahead and click on Uninstall. All right, it's going to call upon the uninstaller. Now, here's the thing. Let the uninstaller run if it can. Okay. Now this one we're going to let the built-in uninstaller run. Now after it's done, the IObit uninstaller will run right behind it and check for any leftover, any remnants. All right, so we're going to go ahead and close that. All right. Now this one, the built-in uninstall is actually run, but that's okay. All right, it's done. Now it should have cleaned up everything, but just in case, we're going to click on Powerful Scan. And I'm also noticing that the GeekBuddy shortcut is here. I got to delete that, but I'll do that after this. Okay, now it's saying there are no leftover items. All right, so we can just go ahead and close this. Okay. All right, and since this is actually still left, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, and the same thing still applies. Restart your system, just in case there were some leftover files. Okay, and that actually should do it. All right, now this actually completes the.
We try to uninstall the programs through Programs and Features. To open the Programs and Features, go to the Run command and type following command, that is appwiz.cpl. It will open the snappings of Programs and Features, which lists all the programs that are installed on your machine. So many times it happens that you try to uninstall some programs from here and you get some weird error message. Right now I don't have any weird error message to show you, but you may get while you try to uninstall it. So I'm going to show you how to uninstall all those programs through command line without any error message. So in order to do that, you must have administrative rights to open the command prompt. Go to the Start menu, type CMD, right click on CMD and click on Run as Administrator. Okay, it will launch the user account control pop-up asking you to click on yes or no, and click on yes. Once you click on yes, it will launch the command prompt with administrative rights. Now type in the following command, that's WMIC. So WMIC is Windows Management Instrumentation Command Line, which is a command line and scripting tool, simplifies the use of WMI. Let's not go deep into these technical terms and concentrate on how to uninstall the product or programs from here. Okay, so typing following command is product get name. Hit enter. It will take some time to list all the programs that are already installed on your machine. Now, here you can see that the list of installed programs are here. Okay. Now let's see if I want to uninstall this program, that is acrobat.com. okay, or let's say Acrobat Reader 9 or Adobe Air, which I don't need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to uninstall this Adobe Air right now. Type in following command, that is product where name equals and within the double inverted comma type in the product name, which is Adobe Air. Hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will show you the information about this product. Okay, now in order to uninstall this, type in product where name equals Adobe Air, call / uninstall and hit enter. Or I might have entered these / additional, so I'm going to remove that and hit enter. Now it will ask you whether you're sure you want to uninstall this program. Just press yes and hit enter. See, you will get the message method execution successful. Okay, so we have successfully removed this Adobe Air from our machine through command line without going into the programs and features through GUI. And if you just want to confirm, please go and find out product get name. It will again show you the list of all the products list installed on your machine, and you'll see that there's no Adobe Air below Adobe Reader 9 because we have just uninstalled it.